It's kind of fun to see how big it can grow.
21 to go.
Almost 16-second lead.
It's only 10:19. It's kind of late, but it's whatever.
Sixth place lap. Yeah, it's crazy.
Oh, caution is out.
There's the caution.
8th caution of the night.
Aw, Frankie Muniz.
Frankie Muniz?
Yes, he was doing such a great job. Major damage to that 33 truck.
Our head on here, man. We're going to get back to pit road. Shot at 6.
That thing looks pretty destroyed. It looks really flat.
Yeah, you're not fixing that. You can't pancake the whole side of it.
The top 20, Frankie was running 21st when whatever went wrong happened.
He had just pitted.
Looks like it went in right front first, but you never know. Most of the time, the reason they've been wrecking is the back end comes out, not the front.
Hate to see that. Frankie Muniz, his first full-time season in the Truck Series.
All right, now what do we do?
20 to go.
Staying out.
Yeah, right? I am too. If I'm on the lead lap,
Now
maybe if you're Craftsman or Rhodes or anything, or you...
I mean, yeah, you say staying out, but maybe I'm second guessing something. There's only 6 trucks on the lead lap. If you're not...
What the fuck's he at? There he is, all up there.
You see him on the outside wall. Frankie, as you can tell.
Well, that's after the crash.
He's still mad as he's getting out of that racetrack. He's very emotional, for good or bad.
He's upset.
And you hate to see it. He knows he had a good run going for an intermediate track like this.
And he had to be feeling really good. He was running with some trucks that are very competitive, and it was the best he's run. You can see how emotional these guys
I hate that Frankie. God damn it.
You know, after the race, blocking him.